वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें ताकि सारी वीडियो आपको मिलती रहें और वीडियो को शेयर करें। ओके।
Short answer type questions. Question 1. What does Zitkalasa remember about the first day in the land of apples?
सेबों के प्रदेश में पहले दिन के विषय में जिटकलासा को क्या याद था?
Or how did Zitkala-Sa's first day in the land of apples begin?
अथवा सेबों के प्रदेश में जिटकलासा का पहला दिन किस प्रकार आरंभ हुआ?
Answer. Zitkalasa remembered the beginning of the first day in the land of apples as a bitterly cold one. She was feeling uncomfortable in her school dress. She got embarrassed in the dining hall. Finally, her hair was shingled. Question 2. I felt like sinking to the floor, says Zitkalasa. When did she feel so and why?
मुझे ऐसा लगा मानो मैं धरती में गड़ रही हूँ, जिटकलासा कहती है। उसको ऐसा कब और क्यों लगा?
Answer. The narrator was made to wear a new dress at school. Her shawl had been removed. She was feeling ashamed of her body-clinging dress. When she was walking to the dining hall, she felt like sinking to the floor with shame at all the unfamiliar way of dressing. Question 3. Who was the pale-faced woman? What was she doing?
पीले चेहरे वाली महिला कौन थी? वह क्या कर रही थी?
Answer. The pale-faced woman seemed to be an authority figure in Zitkala-Sa's new school. She was looking at her so keenly.
Question 4. Why was the small bell trapped and what did they do then?
छोटी घंटी क्यों बजी थी और उसके बाद उन्होंने क्या किया था?
Answer. The second bell was trapped to indicate that the children could sit down in their seats. After that, another bell was trapped and the children begged to eat. Question 5. Why was Zitkalasa in tears on the first day in the land of apples?
सेबों के प्रदेश में पहले दिन जिटकलासा क्यों रोई?
Or at the dining table, why did Zitkalasa begin to cry when others started eating?
अथवा खाने की मेज पर जब सब भोजन कर रहे थे तब जिटकलासा क्यों रोने लगी?
Answer. Zitkalasa was already feeling uncomfortable in her new dress when she entered the dining hall. A small bell was tapped. Thinking that they had to be seated, Zitkala pulled out a chair and sat on it. But to her surprise, everybody kept standing. She was getting up when the second bell rang and all were seated. Finally, she could not use the knife and fork for eating and she started crying because of her embarrassment. Question 6. What was the terrible warning that Judwin gave Zitkalasa?
जुडविन ने जिटकलासा को कौन सी भयानक चेतावनी दी?
Or what did Judwin tell Zitkala-Sa? How did she react to it?
अथवा जुडविन ने जिटकलासा को क्या बताया? उसने इस बात पर क्या प्रतिक्रिया दी?
Answer. Judwin warned Zitkalasa that she had overheard the wit woman talking about cutting their long, heavy hair. Zitkalasa was horrified with the thought of getting her hair cut. Judwin further told her friend that they had to submit to the will of the authorities, as they were strong. Zitkalasa reacted strongly and said that she would not give up without struggling. Question 7. Why was Zitkalasa so averse to having her hair cut?
जिटकलासा अपने बाल कटवाने के विरुद्ध क्यों थी?
Or why was Zitkalasa terrified when Judwin told her that her hair would be cut short?
अथवा जिटकलासा क्यों भयभीत हो गई जब जुडविन ने उसे बताया कि उसके बाल काटकर छोटे कर दिए जाएंगे?
Or why did Zitkalasa resist the cutting of her hair?
अथवा जिटकलासा ने अपने बाल काटने का विरोध क्यों किया?
Answer. Zitkalasa was terrified by the thought of having her hair cut because, in her community, shingled hair was worn in unskilled warriors who were captured by the enemy and their hair was cut. Thus, it was a sign of cowardice. She decided that she would not go down without a fight. Question 8. How did Zitkalasa try to prevent the shingling of her hair?
जिटकलासा ने अपने बालों के कटने की प्रक्रिया को रोकने का क्या प्रयास किया?
Answer. When Judwin informed Zitkala that their hair would be short, Zitkalasa decided to struggle first. When noticing, she crept up the stairs and found a large dark room to bide in. She hid under the bed farthest from the door, but she was found soon after. Question 9. What did Zitkalasa feel when her long hair was cut?
जिटकलासा ने क्या मह
Or how did Zitkalasa feel when her hair was shingled? Answer. Zitkalasa felt anguished and Shobinha was cut. She missed her mother Weemak no comfort her like bir animal driven by a Hadan. Question 10. What made Zitkalasa her epist?
जिटकलासा ने अपन
Answer. Zitkalasa was hiding throwed her high being cut short. But she was dragged out from the hiding position, carried downstairs, fined to a chair and her hair was cut. This cutting of her hair made her how her spust. Question 11. What sort of shows or entertainment attracted Bama?
बामा को किस प्रकार के तमाशे अथवा मनोरंजन आकर्षित करते थे?
Or which activities of the people would Bama watch?
Keenly in the bazaar.
रो के कौन से कार्यों को बामा उत्सुकता से देखती थी?
Answer. The bazaar on the way home was always buzzing with activity. The snake charmer, street plays, puppet show and stunt performance were a few interesting things going on there. Bama used to love all these things. Question 13. What were the articles in the stalls and shops that fascinated Bama on her way back from school?
बामा के स्कूल से घर लौटते समय थड़ियों तथा दुकानों पर कौन सी वस्तुएं थी जो बामा को सम्मोहित करती थी?
Answer. Bama witnessed a variety of interesting things which fascinated her. She saw the dried fish stall, the sweet stall and the stalls selling fried snacks. Then there were wild lemurs, needles being sold, clay beads and tools for cleaning out the ears on sale. She loved to watch the waiters cool the coffee and people chopping onions. Question 13. When did Bama first come to know of the social discrimination faced by the people of her community?
बामा को उसके समुदाय के लोगों द्वारा सहन किए जा रहे सामाजिक भेदभाव के विषय में पहली बार कब पता चला?
Answer. Bama came to know of the social discrimination faced by the people of her community when she was in the 3rd class. She saw an important elder of her community serve vadais to a landlord without touching them. The incident was funny to her until a nun told her the horrific truth. Question 14. What comic incident did Bama narrate to her brother? Why was he not amused?
बामा ने अपने भाई को कौन सी मनोरंजक घटना सुनाई? वह उस घटना पर क्यों नहीं हंसा?
Or describe the experience Bama had on her way back home which made her feel sad.
अथवा घर लौटते समय बामा द्वारा अनुभव की गई उस घटना का वर्णन कीजिए जिससे वह दुखी हो गई.
Answer. On her way back home, Bama saw an elder of her street carrying vadais for the landlord. The manner in which he carried the packet by holding its string made Bama laugh. She related this comic incident to her brother, Anan. However, he was not amused and he told Banya that the elder was behaving that way because people of their community were considered of low caste. This horrific truth made Bama sad. Question 15. Why did the landlord's man ask Bama's brother on which street he lived? What was the significance?
जमींदार के आदमी ने बामा के भाई से क्यों पूछा कि वह किस गली में रहता था? इस प्रश्न का क्या महत्व था?
Answer. Anan was returning home from the library in the Abram village when the landlord's man asked him his name. Then, he wanted to know where Anan lived. He asked this to ascertain Anan's caste because all the lower caste people lived in. Question 16. Which words of her brother made a deep impression on Bama?
बामा के भाई के कौन से शब्दों ने उस पर गहरा प्रभाव डाला?
Or what impact did Anan's advice have on Bama?
अथवा अन्नन की सलाह का बामा पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ा?
Answer. Anan told Bama that only education could help them earn some respect in society. These words had a very deep impact on her. She studied very hard, almost in a frenzy. As Anan had urged, she stood first in her class. Now, everybody wanted to be her friend. Question 17. What was the advice that Anan gave to Bama? Did she follow it?
अन्नन ने बामा को क्या सलाह दी? क्या उसने उस सलाह पर अमल किया?
Answer. Anan told Bama that because they were born into a community which was considered low caste, they were stripped of all honor, dignity and respect. But if they studied hard and made progress, then they could throw away all such indignities. Yes, Bama did follow Anan's advice. She studied hard and stood first in her class. Long answer type questions. Question 1. How did Zitkala ultimately lose her distinct cultural identity when her long hair was shingled?
जब जितकलासा के लंबे बाल काट दिए गए, तो अंततः उसने अपनी विशिष्ट सांस्कृतिक पहचान किस प्रकार खो दी?
Answer. In The Cutting of My Long Hair, the little Native American girl can't take injustice and oppression meekly. She wants to maintain her own identity. She wants to have long and heavy hair as it is the tradition of her community. Only cowards have shingled hair among them. She doesn't submit but resists, she fights till she is overpowered. The narrator was not willing to submit. She crawled under a bed and huddled in a dark corner. She shuddered with fear whenever she heard footsteps nearby. When discovered, she resisted by kicking and scratching wildly when she was dragged out. She was carried downstairs and tied to a chair. Then they cut her long and beautiful hair and no one came forward to help her. Thus, the narrator lost her distinct cultural recognition and identity. Question 2. Describe the sights that Bama enjoyed seeing on her way back home.
घर लौटते समय बामा जिन दृश्यों का आनंद लेती थी, उनका वर्णन कीजिए।
Answer. Bama took half an hour to 1 hour to cover a distance of 10 minutes walk from her school to her home. This was because she liked to watch the performing monkey, the snake which the snake charmer kept in his box, and the cyclist who did not get off his bike for 3 days, and other interesting activities. The pongal offerings being cooked in front of the Mariada temple, the dried fish, sweets and fried snack stall, the street lights that demonstrated changing colors all interested her. The hunter gypsy with his wild lemurs, people selling needles, clay beads and tools for cleaning out the ears mesmerized and bound her. The street play, puppet shows, political parties with people giving long speeches, the coffee clubs and the process of cooling the coffee, nothing escaped her notice. The various seasonal fruits and vegetables that were displayed also attracted her. Thus, Bama would be awestruck by all these sights. Question 3. How did Zitkalasa and Bama face oppression as a child? How did they overcome it?
जिटकलासा एवं बामा ने बचपन में किस प्रकार उत्पीड़न का सामना किया एवं उन्होंने किस प्रकार इस पर विजय प्राप्त की?
Answer. Both Zitkalasa and Bama were school-going children when they witnessed rough treatment being meted out to themselves or their community. Both episodes prove that injustice in any form does not escape notice even by children. Zitkalasa revolts and resists against the school authorities with all her might because she does not want her hair to be shingled like that of a coward's. Bama too realizes the oppression that her community faces. She puts up a fight by bringing laurels to her community through her scholarly achievements. Thus, she proves that she is superior to the so-called upper caste.
वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।